Hey, this is JT Cycles, and today we will be assisting Brady from Upstate Cycle in the same building on the other end of the building where he performs his service business. And we are installing Feuling's Camchest kit into this 2018 Road Glide. That is the kit right there. The part number is listed down below. This kit includes the oil pump, cam plate, lifters, and 465 cams. Also going on this bike is Khrome Werks Dominator 2-in-2 exhaust system with 4.5-inch mufflers. We went with the Eclipse series, which is like a black chrome, which is a black chrome. Also, Khrome Werks sent us these end caps, which will follow very nice with the angle of the saddlebag. Comes stock right there on these mufflers was the black end caps. Here we got the black chrome end caps. And as you can see, they're gonna look really good at the end of this bike. Also, we will be installing the Arlen Ness Method see-through air cleaner, part number down below. And we will be replacing the stock plastic Harley Davidson intake with an S&S aluminum intake. Part numbers listed down below. Something else that we're installing on this 18 Road Glide is the Trask transmission top cover that's vented. Okay, M8s are known for their high pressure, and they should be vented somehow, whether it's by the dipstick or vented dipstick. However, we went with the transmission top cover. We'll show you after it's installed. Let's give this bike a start so you can hear what it sounds like stock without cams and without the exhaust. Okay, we're going to perform the install now. We'll be back in a couple of hours and show you the difference in sound.